What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to create KDP activity books fast and with very little effort. This is without tech skills, design skills, and very much time at all. It's actually very fast to do. And make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, guides, and case studies, just like this one. And watch until the very end to get my detailed method, the niche keyword I'm using for this particular activity book, and the on-page SEO tips. Okay, so first thing I want to get out of the way is create my activity book. Now this is something that doesn't require very much time for me because I use Activity Book Mastery. If you have any questions about it, check out the information below and you can get that answered. Okay, so I want to create a couples, so it says here couples activity book, okay, for growing together. This is a keyword I am targeting. It doesn't get a lot of traffic, but it does get some traffic, and I wanna climb the ranks for this keyword. So I'm gonna be creating a book for it. So I'm gonna create my interior. I'm gonna keep this nice and simple. I'm gonna have some mazes in it. I'm gonna have maybe 10 mazes. I'm gonna choose this double corridor because it's like two people. It's two different mazes. So I'm gonna create 15 of those. Okay, just activate that and then download the actual mazes and the solutions. Then I want to go to trivia. I'm going to now I have my trivia of my mazes. I'm gonna create some paper games here, some word search. I'm gonna make this again 15. Again, I'm gonna download the solutions and the actual game, and let's supply them with some hangman as well. I'm gonna go to 15 with this, and there we go. And once I have all my games and solutions and everything at the proper height, at the proper dimensions, I'm gonna start downloading. Okay, nice and easy. Download the next book. Okay, then after I download all the books, I'm gonna go to CombinePDF.com and combine my book. Very easy stuff. Just drag and drop. Once this is done, I'm going to download this. So that's my interior. It's all done. Now I have to create my cover page. Okay, now this is really important. I use Canva. I just use the free version, and I'm gonna create, like I said earlier, a couples activity books or activity book, for growing together. So I went ahead and went to Pixabay. This is a place where you can get public domain images, and downloaded some materials to see what works best. I think I'm gonna settle with this image with the brownish background. So I'm gonna shrink that up like that and center it. Or actually, no, I'm not sure if I want to use this one or this one here. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah. No, actually, this one is bigger. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So the name of the book is activity book, cute. Couples activity book for growing together. No fluff, no thrills, just very simple stuff, easy to do, anybody can do. Okay, once inside, you're going to click on the paperback feature here, or option, and you're gonna put in your title, right? So I got here, what do I got here? I got here couples activity book for growing together. I'm gonna write that in there. Growing for book, singular, not books, activity, and what was it? Cute, right? Cute couples activity book for growing together. This activity book has mazes, word search, trivia, and hangman. Cool, like that. And forget the series section, forget the edition number. Just put in your first and last name, whatever pen name you have or whatever. Forget the contributor section and just put in a short, nice little description. Sit down and enjoy your coffee with your loved one and play these fun activities. Each activity will get you closer. Each activity will get you closer, and it will help improve your relationship. Okay, that's that. Go to publishing rights, click I own the copyright and all that. And we're going to start plugging in our keyword, right? So this is our main keyword. Let's put in another keywords. Let's make it just a very broad keyword, couples activity books. Let's put in activity books, just activity books as well. Okay, just to let Amazon and its algorithm know what this is all about. Couples activity books for adults. I like that. Maze books for couples. Fun puzzle books. Let's put another one. Activity puzzle books. Now, if you don't know how I find these keywords, you can check out my tutorials and guides below, and I'll give you all that. Okay. If you're watching this, chances are you already have that. Okay. So, I don't want to go over the basics here because I've done it so many times, but it's pretty straightforward and easy to do, and I show you how to do it for free. Okay. So category. Let's go to category. Let's go to nonfiction. Let's go to games. Let's go to brain teasers, puzzles. I don't know, puzzles. No, let's go away from logic and brain teasers and go to word search. Okay, like that. Click save. Adult content, no, and then click save and continue. Once you're in the once you save and continue, you want to get your free number that Amazon will assign to you, and then don't worry about the publication date. Always choose black and white paper. This is the trim size for this guy is 8.5 by 11. I always select bleed. I like matted, and then you're gonna upload the manuscript, basically the interior that we created just now using Activity Book Mastery. And I highly urge you, if you're serious about making money online without a website, without affiliate marketing, without complicated traffic methods, I urge you to get Activity Book Mastery. Get it through me if you want the best bonuses, because I do this as well. I make money online selling these types of products online, okay, off of my own site, off of Amazon, off of POD sites. So I have a lot of experience doing this, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cover. So put in, I forget the name of it, mob. Another cool thing about this is there isn't like a limit of how many books, low content books, puzzle books, activity books you can upload to Amazon per day. I mean, maybe there is, but I haven't reached it. Okay, and the more buttons you have out there for products people want to actually buy, the chances are higher for you to actually earn online with these products that you create. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna check my book now, see if everything's good in copacetic. Everything looks good. All my puzzles are in order. I got 70 pages. Okay, I believe the minimum is 24 pages. And of course the solutions are in the back. I'm gonna click approve and I'm just gonna start pricing it. Okay, now if you've watched any of my videos before, I urge you to make your books, depending, maybe it's a humongous book, but if it's you know, anything between 25 to 100 pages, you don't wanna go over 10 bucks. Okay, so I'm gonna click save and continue. You want to make sure that it's nothing over 10 bucks, because this is more like an impulse buy, right? The people who are buying this are not gonna be not putting a lot of thought into it, right? They just want something to be entertained a little bit, and so I always keep it at $9.99. My piece of the action is a little bit over $3, and I want to go to expand distribution. This allows my book to be sold on, you know, other Amazon extension sites such as Amazon UK, Amazon Japan, so forth. Publish my book and I'm done. So it's very simple. This took me like 8 minutes or something, less than 8 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, guides just like this one. Watch me earn online. I also do affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoy this. Be good and take care.